Guys, let's do the problem right here. The question is asking use the least square method to find the closest line to the points 0, 4, 2, 1, 3, 0. So in this case, what we have to do? First of all, we have to create the line equation. So for a line equation, is going to be y is equal to mx plus b. So now I have to plug these values. So if I plug these values, what's going to happen is the first one is 0, 4. So 0 is x value, 4 is y value. So I can put it here. So 4 is my y value. And if you multiply 0 by m, this is going to be 0. And we have b right here. And the second equation is going to be 2, 1. And 1 is going to be my y. And 2 is my x. So it's going to be 2m plus b. And the third equation is going to be 0 is equal to 3 times m plus b. And if you solve for m b from this equation, you are not gonna get the same answer because the points are not in the same line. For example, the points are going to be something like this, right? So what are we trying to do is finding the closest line that's passing through somewhere like this, closest to each point. So to find this value, there's an equation for that. That's A transpose A x star is equal to A transpose B. Usually that equations Ax is equal to B, we can't find anything using that because we will get different values. That's why we are using the least square method to find the approximate nearest value. So in this case, what I have to do, I have to first of all get the matrix of this one. So if I get the matrix, it's going to be 0, 2, 3, and the other side we are going to have 1, 1, 1, and equal to 4, 1, 0, 4, 1, 0. And if you see, this is my A value, and this is my B. And now I have to find the A transpose A. I'm trying to solve this equation. So A transpose A, our purpose is to find the x. X are going to be M and B. M and B are the x. And that's what we have to find the equation to form an equation for a line, right? So in this case, I have to find A transpose A. So A transpose A. So A transpose is simply going to be the flip of this equation. The first column is going to be my first row. So therefore, the A transpose will become something like 0, 2, 3, and in the bottom we are going to have 1, 1, 1. And this is my A transpose multiplied by A. A is going to be 0, 2, 3, and 1, 1, 1. And if you see, this is a 2 by 3 matrix, and this is 3 by 2 matrix. So when you multiply, you will get 2 by 2 matrix. So let's multiply. 0 times, so first row, first column, 0 times 0, 0, 2 times 2 is going to be 2, 2 times 2 is going to be 4, 3 times 3 is going to be 9, 9 plus 4 is going to be 13. The first row, second column, 0 times 1 is going to be 0, 2 times 1 is going to be 2, 3 times 1 is going to be 3, so 3 plus 2 is going to be 5. Second row, first column, 1 times 0 is going to be 0, 1 times 2 is going to be 2, 1 times 3 is going to be 3, so 2 plus 3 is going to be 5. Then second row, second column, 1 times 1, 1 times 1 is going to be 1, 1 times 1 is going to be 1, 1 times 1 is going to be 1, so this is going to be 3. So so this is my A transpose A. Now I have to calculate A transpose B. A transpose B, then A transpose B, A transpose, we already found it, it's 0, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, and my B value is 410, so this is my 410, and this is 2 by 3 matrix, and this is 3 by 1 matrix, so if I multiply, I will get 2 by 1 matrix. So let's do that. First row, first column, 0 times 4, 0, 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 0, 0. So it's going to be 2. 1 times 4 is going to be 4. 1 times 1 is going to be 1. And 1 times 0 is going to be 0. So 4 plus 1 is going to be 5. So these are the A transpose B. Then from this one, now I can form the equation. The equation is A transpose A x star equal to A transpose B. So A transpose A, this value, 13, 5, 5, 3. 13, 5, 5, 3. So this is my A transpose A time x star is going to be M and B and equal to A transpose B, that's 2 over 5. And now I can calculate M using Cramer's rule or whatever the method you want. You can use Gauss-Jordan it doesn't matter what rule you use. I use the Cramer's rule. So determinant of, so I'm calculating the m. So to calculate m, what I have to do is I have to swap this one with the first column. That's going to give us m. So if I swap this one with the first column, it's going to be 2/5 and 5/3. In the bottom, we are going to have the original format, so it's going to be determinant of 13, 5, 5, 3. So if I calculate this one, AD minus BC, so 6 minus 25 is going to be 6 minus 25 is going to be minus 19. And then in the bottom, 13 times 3 is going to be 39. 39 minus 25 is going to be 40. So this is my m value. So we calculate the m value. And now I have to calculate the b value. B value is going to be same idea, like I'm using the Cramer's rule. So b is going to be equal to determinant of, in this case I have to swap this one with the second column, so it's going to be determinant of 13/5 to 5. Then in the bottom we are going to have, I can write 14 on already because I already found the bottom determinant. That's going to be the original format, right? 14. So if I calculate the top one, it's going to be 13 times 5 is going to be 65. 65 minus 10 is going to be 55. So 55/40. So this is my b value. Therefore now we can write the equation of the closest line. That's going to be y is equal to mx plus b. So instead of m, I can plug this value. It's going to be minus 19/14 mx plus b plus 55/40. So this is the final answer for this question. So this is the closest line that passed through all these points, and that's how we calculate. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.